Hello, it's Helen Godden and thanks for joining me again. It's December 2nd, so we're going to do our next petal on our poinsettia, and this time it's right here. So I've grabbed my friction pen and I'm just going to give myself a centre line with a curve. Okay, it's got that little kick in it. It's not a straight line, it's got a little kick down the middle of that petal. And that's going to help us with our quilting. So by having that line with the friction pen, I know where to stop and start. It makes the job a lot easier than guessing your way down the middle there. So I've done two slightly different styles there. This one was fairly straight and this side had a slight kink in it. But otherwise it's all about keeping that width fairly consistent, and you've created a little pattern there on your petal. So there we go. Have a go at that one. That friction pen's going to iron away beautifully. And I'm going to see you tomorrow for December 3. Bye-bye.